Hey guys, so today I have got the Witch Casket box for February to show you. Now every time I do this box I say that it's £37, but I think for new subscribers now they've put the price up because people keep telling me that it's £39. So if you are already a pre-existing subscriber, it is still £37, but I think for new subscribers it's £39 now for some reason. So I'm just letting you know. That is the UK price. Obviously this is a UK box. If you are in different countries it's different prices. I'll try and put all the information down below as much as I know. But yeah, I will just get straight into this. So like I said, this is the February one, and the theme for this month, obviously with it being Valentine's month, is love magic. So it's kind of like a purple and gold sort of theme this month. This is just a little booklet that you get with it that tells you about all the items in the box. I'm not going to go through that because I'm just going to show you them, but it does have more like detailed information on everything if you need it in that. Then the first thing we have right on the top is a little print. So this is what that looks like. It is quite dark. At the top you can't see it super well, but it's kind of like a girl over a cauldron with some like crystals and stuff around her. So there is that. Then we have our spell for the month, so you always get a little spell kit, and this one is 7 days of self-love and gratitude. It contains everything you need for a week of reflection, it says. So I am going to open this and show you what is in here. Okay, so in here we have the little instructions. I am going to hold them up in case you can read that, but I know that they are tiny, so I'm not sure if you can or not. But that's the little instruction card. Then we've got a piece of paper which says, today I am most grateful for, today I am proud of myself for, and there's like all different little boxes. We have a kind of fuchsia pinky purple coloured little spell candle, and we have, I think this is a pen, yeah, kind of a cute little posh pen which says infinite magic on it. It's got like a rose gold lid. It's just a ballpoint pen, I think. But yeah, little pen. And that is everything in the spell kit. Then next we have a little hat, a beanie, and it says The Craft on it. Now if you watch my channel normally you will know I absolutely love the film The Craft. It's probably my favourite. The Craft and The Crow, equal favourites. So I do like this, however I'm just not really a beanie kind of girl. If I was going to wear one though, it probably would be this one. So I do like it, but just not my personal kind of thing. But there is that. Then next we have our crystal, and this month it's Amethyst. I'm quite happy to not get another selenite because I think I must have had about 20 this month. So this is our little amethyst. It is quite a rough, raw looking one. It's not really very shiny at all, which is fine. They are usually a little more clear and shiny than this when I've had them, like a bit more tumbled. This is really rough, but that is that. And it says, wow, the writing on all of these things this month is teeny tiny. It says, Amethyst has long been recognised as one of the ultimate spiritual crystals, and in many ancient cultures only royalty, priests and priestesses had access to the mysteries and secrets of this stone. A renowned physical and emotional healer, its calm, serene energy makes this a great meditation aid. Amethyst is a natural tranquilizer. It relieves stress and strain, soothes anxiety and irritability, and calms anger, fear and sorrow. So that is that. Then we have, what shall I do next? We have our tea, so you always get a tea. I do wish they would do more coffee, but that's fine. This is rose, either Kongao or Kongu Emperor tea. I'm not going to open it because I won't drink it, but it'll be a rose kind of tea. Then we have a little wax melt bar, which is quite cute. It's in the scent Wild Rose and it's by the brand Safi Bee. So it just looks like this. It's got 6 little cubes that you can break off. Then we have some pins. Now usually you only get 1 pin. This month we do have 2 pins. So there is like a heart potion bottle that says love, and then the other one over here says peace. So they're pretty cute. Then we have this, which is a rose quartz pendant or pendulum. This is what that looks like. It's quite messy. Okay, so this little thing up here like moves, so you can make it a shorter or a longer necklace if you're going to wear it as a necklace. And this is what the rose quartz itself looks like. Hopefully you can see that. Seems quite dark on my camera today for some reason. So this says on the little thing, rose quartz is a gentle, loving stone of the heart. It vibrates with tenderness, compassion and comforting energy. Wear this pendant to promote inner peace and love. This can also be used as a pendulum. Here's a very simple way to read with it. Hold the pendulum by the cord and allow it to become still and steady. If you do not have a pendulum board or cloth, you can simply ask a yes or no question that you already know the answer to see which way the pendulum swings. That allows you to ascertain the direction of your pendulum for yes and no. Then you can ask questions where the answer is unknown and see what insight the pendulum offers. So that's pretty cute. I quite like that. So that's our little rose quartz. And then we have 3 things left. So we have this wooden engraved little like board plaque. I'm going to quickly look in the booklet and see what this is supposed to be for, because I'm not 100% sure if these are maybe like elements or something. Yeah, so the booklet just says that these are elements. It's just a wooden altar board. It says it can be used in spells and rituals or just for decoration purposes. So it's quite pretty. I mean, you could maybe, if you don't practice, use it as like a drinks coaster or a placemat for a little plate or something like that. So there is that. Then we have this very cute little box which says love on the top. This would make a really cute little ring box, but I think, yeah, it's just got some incense cones in here. And I'm not gonna lie, they smell kind of disgusting. They remind me of soil, so I'm going to assume they're probably a patchouli scent because that kind of smells like that a little. But the box is really cute though, so there's those. And then the last thing before the scroll is this other very cute little jewellery looking box which says love spell on it. And it opens with a magnetic little clip, and then in here there is a self-love bottle kit. So we have some little rose petals, dried rose. We have some little crystal chips, a little tiny spell candle the same colour as the last one, like this fuchsia purple colour, and then this really cute little glass vial bottle with a cork in the top. And then a little instructions. So the instructions say, relax and charge each item you will be using with your intention to promote self-love. Add the rose petals and the rose quartz chips to the bottle. Feel free to add in anything else you feel will add potency to the spell. This is optional. Cork the bottle and seal it with the wax from the pink candle. As you allow the candle to burn down, meditate on all of your good qualities as you feel the love of the universe surrounding you. So that's pretty cute. I quite like that. I like the little box that it came in and everything. I feel like that would be quite a nice little gift for someone. I don't know. Just like a little cute little spell box kind of thing. So yeah, that was everything. Oh, I've not shown you the scroll yet. Let's show you what the scroll says. I won't read it out because I don't want to bore you all, but I will hold it up for those of you that want to pause the video and read. So this is 6 simple love spells. We've got love bath, love powder, love ring charm, love incense, Hi John love charm, and love letter magic. So I will hold this up if anybody wants to pause and read it. Like I said, the writing in this box on these is really small this week. I'm not really sure why they've done that, but that is the scroll. And yeah, that was everything in February's Witch Casket. So I did quite like this one actually. I think we got quite a good amount of stuff. The last couple of boxes have been quite empty, so it's nice to get one that does have quite a few things in it. So I will quickly get it all back together and show you it all at once again. So we have the 7 Days of Self-Love and Gratitude spell kit, the little art print, the Rose Emperor loose leaf tea, the 2 little enamel pins, the Amethyst, the rose quartz pendant or pendulum, the wax melts, the wooden altar elements board, try and get you to see it all, the craft beanie hat, the love spell little box, the incense cones, and the scroll. So I will put the scroll down and I will try and hold these ones instead. So all of these things in the February Love Magic Witch Casket box. Like I said, they have put the price up. It is quite expensive, but I did like this one, so you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one, if you liked it, if you thought it was worth the money or not. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.